So I've only got space in the suitcase for one of you to... Guess it's Biskut. Oh. Hi, Biskut. You want to come?
Special delivery spuds on the job. What are you doing here?
I've just delivered some cabbages to the market. What are you doing?
I'm delivering these parcels for Mr. Dixon, and you can help me.
Liam, when you're done playing, put your toys away, please. Thank you.
You have to stop sleeping upside down. It's not normal to do this. And I can't focus on anything when I look back and see this cute face.
Hey, Ruben.
Rubin has funny joke for you.
Okay, hit me.
Annotace, do not allow your dog to chase, hurt, or worry wildlife.
Okay.
How is...
Hey, I know this joke.
How
Me,
is...
Baxter,
Oh,
me.
be quiet, I tell joke.
I know it. I really do.
Thank you.
Go ahead, Ruben.
How is a dog going to worry wildlife?
I don't know how.
Run up to a bird. Hey, I think you've got something on your back.
Can I say it? Can I? Pretty please.
No. No.
Please.
It could be a tumor. Get it? Tumor.
Closing so hard that time was Hightower as he just blew up Le'Veon Bell. Wow.
Don't look at me like that, Muggsy. I'm your pal, Muggsy, your buddy pal. Yeah.
It's curtains for you, Rocky. Curtains.
No, not that. No.
Curtains, you understand? Curtains. Here.
Oh, they're adorable.
Nobody's outside, but Biskut appears to have gone on the floaty by herself. Hi, Biskut. Hi. How you doing?
Oh, you pushed it. See? You can go. She did it on her own.
Ready? Okay. There you go.
That was funny.
You find the weirdest places to sleep.
If he's going to persevere with his challenge, he must now fight. Their only weapons are their teeth, but they can do a lot of damage with them.